In this video, I'll show you how to fix the 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome. A 403 forbidden error means the website's server received your request, but is refusing to grant access to the page. While some causes need to be fixed by the website owner, there are several things you can try on your side to resolve the issue. First, refresh the web page. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary issue, and simply reloading the page can fix it. If that doesn't work, carefully check the website address in the URL bar. Even a small typo can lead to a 403 error, so make sure the web address is entered correctly. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. To do this, open Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then go to Delete Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files, then click Delete Data. Once the process is complete, reopen the website and see if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the error, try opening the website in an incognito window. Click the three-dot menu and select New Incognito Window, then visit the website again. This helps determine whether cached data or extensions are causing the problem. Another fix is to disable your browser extensions. Open the three-dot menu, go to Extensions, and temporarily disable your installed extensions one by one. Some extensions can interfere with website permissions and trigger 403 errors. You should also check whether you're using a VPN or proxy service. If you are, temporarily disconnect it and try accessing the website again. Some websites block traffic from certain VPN servers, which can result in a 403 forbidden error. If none of these solutions work, the issue may be on the website side, and you may need to wait for the site owner to restore access or contact their support team. And that's how you can fix the 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.